Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing okay. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. I've got another advent calendar to share with you, and I've got Benefit Sincerely Yours Beauty Advent Calendar. The calendars are getting smaller and smaller with Benefit every single year, which is good because the products inside are minis. 12 minis of their best-selling products. It makes sense for the packaging to go smaller. Yeah, I really like it. This calendar was kind of gifted to me for free in exchange for showing you and telling you all about it on my channel. If you're interested in this for yourself, then as always you'll find a link down below in my description, as well as a link to my current giveaway that I'm running on Instagram to win a Sephora Collection UK Advent Calendar. It's the second of 3 Advent Calendar giveaways I'm running. Next one will be the end of November, so you'll find a link down below if you want to enter, and also lots of information about different discount codes and offers and things. You'll find all that down below there. So yeah, 12 days of big time beauty mail. So let's open it up and show you. This is really cute. It's the first time I've seen it. Look. It is gorgeous, isn't it? They're like little lockers. I really like that. What's it say here? Special delivery. Fill out this pretty postcard and send it to your best friend. Oh, look. So there's a postcard there. Okay. Yeah. So let's open it up. Day number 1. Look. We have got an eyeliner maybe. So we've got Precisely My Brow. This is a defined eyebrow pencil in shade 4. See a very, very, very fine pencil there. Can you see? Really, really great at mimicking hair strokes. I normally go for number 3, but that's fine because I can use it more in the middle. I've got microbladed eyebrows. I had them done about a year and a half ago, and they are fading. The shape is still there, which is great. They are fading quite badly now, so I need to fill in fake strokes just so that it looks more natural. So because they are darker than normal, maybe this shade will be okay. But yeah, so there's that. Day number 2. So far, I'm not having to pull them out, which is really good. I just think it's so cute. Little lockers. We've got another pencil of some sorts. Yeah, well, it's an eyeliner. This is Roller Liner in black. I love the Roller Lash mascara, so I'm hoping that is in here as well. Really nice eyeliner. Let's try it. I can't really see what I'm doing. Woo! There. Just sort of give you an idea. It's got an eyeliner. Okay, day number 3 up here. Let's see. Oh, yeah, I can get it out. See? Oh, we've got mascara. This is Bad Girl Bang in black. This is an amazing mascara if you've never tried it before. The wand is quite small. I'll show you. But it is super, super black. Really, really black. And it clings to your lashes, lifts, lengthens. Yeah, really great on my own lashes, which are a bit of a nightmare. They're virtually non-existent. Yeah, this is really, really good. I really like this mascara. And I tend to take this with me when I go on holiday. It's long lasting, quick and easy. I don't have to faff around with loads and loads of layers before you can see any lashes. Yeah, it's a really good mascara. Okay, day number 4 here. Primer maybe, squidgy. Yeah, we've got the Professional. This is the Hydrate Primer, and there's 7.5 mils here. Now there's many, many different primers in the Professional range. I adore the original Professional. It's so, so good at filling in your pores. It's really, really good. Yeah, it's been a firm favourite of mine for many, many years. The Hydrate version, I have tried little minis of this before, but I do think I prefer the original one. I just want that area to be as matte as possible. Don't mind about the rest of my face looking glowy, dewy. But yeah, this, I want it to be really matte. And this is nice, I will definitely use it, but I do prefer the original one. Day number 5 over here. Oh, this is mascara maybe again. Yeah, this is their Real Mascara. Again in black. This is an iconic mascara. Unfortunately, it doesn't work on my lashes. See the little ball end there? That is brilliant for getting right into the inner corners of your lashes, but it doesn't work for me. I don't know why. I don't know why, because so many people love it. But then maybe they don't like Bad Girl Bang, or else that one works for me, but this one doesn't. We're all different, aren't we? So there's that. Day number 6 down here. We've got a Gimme Brow in shade 3, and there's 1.5 grams here. Gimme Brow is a tinted eyebrow gel. Oh, it's not a gel really, it's more of a cream. You see the tiny little brush, you brush through your brows and you lightly coat it as well. It has some staying power but also a touch of colour to it as well. And number 3 is plenty dark enough for me personally. Okay, day number 7 down here. Got a bronzer blush. Oh, we got Dandelion. This is a little mini of Dandelion. It's a skin brightening, highlighting blush. This is really nice. It's a nice subtle blush, but it has a nice brightening and satin finish to it. Day number 8 over here. And we've got Roller Lash. This is the mascara, the one I mentioned at the start that I really liked. It's got a really unique wand. It's curvy and really small. So similar wand to Bad Girl Bang, but it has a curve to it. So it really grabs onto the lashes, lifts them and lengthens them. Yeah, I do really like this one. It is 3 grams. Some little minis there. Day number 9. And we've got 24-hour brow setter. This is a clear eyebrow gel. And it's a really great eyebrow gel. The only thing is the wand doesn't grab my eyebrows as well as a brush does. You know the Gimme Brow that we just seen a few doors away? It had tiny little brush. That type of brush works much better on my eyebrows. This one, formula is brilliant. I love it and I do use it. I have got a full-size version of this, but the brush, I think because my eyebrows are quite sparse, underneath the microblading, they're very, very thin and sparse. So I need something to really grip them to set them in place. But it's fine. I still, as I said, I still use it and it's a really great formula. It's just I prefer different brushes. Day number 10 down here. And we've got Hoola bronzer. This is the original Hoola bronzer. Since they've released this, they've released lots of different shades. It's a really, really gorgeous, cool shade. So great for contouring as well. Yeah, I do really like it. And the fact that it's a little mini one, it's a handy size to pop in my bag, carry around with me, take away. Yeah, it's cute. Is that? Day number 11 here. I'm guessing another primer. Yes, and we got the original Professional primer. I love this, absolutely love it. It just blurs my whole nose area. It smooths even my lines in between my forehead or the little bit of texture I've got there. And yeah, it's just a really, really great one. It's really, really good. And then day number 12 down here. And we have got the Real Magnet Mascara. I was fortunate enough for Benefit to reach out to me when they released this. Was it about 2 years ago now? I can't remember. A year? I think it was about 2 years ago. And they sent me a sample, a PR sample to try. I was really, really excited. There's a lot of science behind it and I thought it was brilliant. But unfortunately, again, it just didn't suit my lashes. It's their Real, which doesn't suit my lashes at all, but this is their Real Magnet. I was absolutely gutted. I really, really wanted to love it. It's not for me, so their Real and their Real Magnet will go to my daughter because I'm sure that she would love those. And I'll keep the other 2. So those are all the products in the Benefit 12-day advent calendar, the little minis advent calendar. I think it's really, really cute. Are you going to get anything new from previous years? No. They're giving you products that are their best sellers. So I've been unboxing Benefit advent calendars for the last couple of years. Besides maybe 1 or 2 different products, maybe, if that. Generally, the advent calendars are the same from year to year. The packaging is different. You know, the actual design of the advent calendars are different, but the products are roughly the same. But I think at least you know then, you know what you're getting. If you love Benefit products, I think this advent calendar is really nice as it showcases all their main products. Or if you're new to Benefit, then maybe this advent calendar might appeal to you, so it gives you a chance to try the products before you go out and buy the full size. But I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of it? Have you bought one for yourself or for a friend or family member? Or are you watching this curious to see what's inside, wondering, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. But thanks for watching and I'll speak to you all again soon. Take care. Bye.